to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Hi guys, and welcome to another week in my life. So I very conveniently forgot to film an intro to this video, so here I am giving this video kind of like a direction. So you guys seem to really enjoy my week in my life videos, so I wanted to film another one of those. I didn't do a very good job at filming like my entire week. I filmed like about 4 days and then I got sick. I mean, I don't know if it's right to call it sick, but I had really bad cramps and I was vomiting and it was just a bad sight. So I kind of ended the video with like a little bit of a Q&A because I wanted to give you guys more content. But other than that, in today's video you're gonna see a lot of house updates and just my BTS of like my day-to-day life. So yeah, if you're interested, then keep on watching. So this is what the living room looks like. It was actually way worse than this before. यहाँ पे भी सामान पड़ा है. And then the entire passage side हो जाओ आदित्य और दिखाना है. यहाँ पर भी और सामान है. So actually half of it got shipped today, which is why it's a little bit less. But tomorrow hopefully all of this is gonna get shipped. I also got my first order from Nature's Basket. Ordered so much food, mostly snacks, little bit of grocery like essentials. So abhi thodi bhook lagi hai. Let's pick a snack. Actually I'm gonna have to sanitize everything first, after which let's pick a snack. I thought I should do like a grocery haul because why not? So I'm not gonna show you all the boring stuff like the veggies and corn and dahi and the obvious stuff. I'm just gonna show you a few snacks that I picked up. The first one is this salsa chip, nacho chip, sorry. Then the flavor cream cheese. Next, I also got a McCain ka packet, potato veggies ka. I usually don't really like fried food, but it's just nice to have this just in case I get hungry and I have nothing to eat. I can just like fry these and it's gonna be like a yummy side dish. Also got some cheese. This is by Go Cheese. Very yummy. Like I really like Go Cheese ka cheese. Got a few protein bars. These are peanut butter, dark chocolate, quinoa crispies with oats in them. So they're supposed to be very like healthy but yummy. Never had them again. They're from this brand called Right Bite. Yeah. Also got this ready to make soup packet. Again, not a big fan of like ready to make stuff, but just in case I get hungry, it's nice to have these as like backups. Got this dip from Weba and it's their cheese and jalapeno dip to go along with the nacho chips that I got. And I also got some yogurt, strawberry flavored yogurt. I wanted to get the Epigame one, but they're all sold out. So I got this from this brand called Greekio. I'm gonna make sure to link all of these products in the description box below from Nature's Basket. Not sponsored by the way. Now I'm gonna go and eat something. And yes, I am wearing pajamas underneath a dress. So this is what we're having. The chips are pretty good even on their own, but they go really well with the dip. So yeah, that's my little review, and even the yogurt's pretty good. So yeah.
1 hour later.
Okay, so I'm done with filming and I wanted to show you guys this 2-step routine that I've been incorporating in my skincare. So I've been very lazy and I've been trying to test these products out for you guys. I think I've done a fairly good job. So I start off with this Mamaearth Vitamin C Face Toner. This has vitamin C and cucumber in it. I have actually used this product even in the past. Now this toner is very calming. It's supposed to cleanse your pores and also restore your skin's pH balance. And on top of which I'll use the Mamaearth's Vitamin C Face Milk. Now this has vitamin C and peach in it. Now this product is very like fresh and lightweight, and also it absorbs very quickly into your skin, which is like the most important thing for me because I do have very oily skin. As I mentioned earlier, this product has vitamin C in it, which helps your skin look even, moisturized, and also helps retain moisture for a really long time. Just like all Mamaearth products, these products too are free from harmful chemicals, and they are available on Mamaearth, Amazon and Nykaa. So it's only been a few seconds since I've applied the face milk on my face, and it's already like absorbed and it's not sticky at all. In fact, my skin feels very like baby soft soft and supple. So if you're interested, I'm gonna make sure to leave a link of both of these products in the description box below, and you can use my code Mridul2020 to get a 20% off. So I think I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna go edit and just try to chill today.
And then enjoying the game in the comfort of their home.
What today looks like. Aditya is editing the vlog. I hope this goes up today. And JP, say hi. Hi. He's packing, and also everyone's watching IPL. Aaj day 1 hai. Also, yes, I'm still wearing the same PJ sets. I have washed them, don't worry. It's just that I've carried only one PJ set, so I'm gonna like repeat it again and again. Let me show you what the kitchen looks like. So we got a gas finally. Very kindly, Aditya's parents gifted me a gas. Aaj subah hi maine doodh gira diya, so that's great. So I'm just gonna make some snacks. Gonna make some stir-fried vegetables because I'm really hungry, and I did actually get some more snacks. Actually, let me show you. So many snacks. I think I'm gonna make like a separate video on like my favorite snacks because I think I've found a few that I really like. So this is what it looks like. It smells really good. I also like prepped for the next time. Like I cut extra veggies and I have them ready so that next time I have to literally just add the paneer. And basically I don't have to do any prep. Sorry for the mess, but taste test do jaldi. Not impressed?
Very nice. Yeah.
Thanks.
Good boy, good boy.
So tell everyone what just happened. Bless you. It's okay. It's okay. Tell everyone what just happened.
She sneezed.
Shut up. So the video was ready. It was supposed to go up. We spent the whole day. I mean, he spent the whole day editing the video. I did the upar ka cut jo rehta hai wo. And then what happened? Tell them.
We uploaded it and then we got a copyright claim.
Yeah. So basically, we decided to upload the video thoda late because आज IPL का first match है, okay? And match late खत्म हुआ तो थोड़ा postpone किया. उसके बाद finally upload करने गए तो copyright strike आया. So we had to do the whole thing again. We exported the video again, uploaded it again, did everything again, and it's finally up. So that's it. Yeah, please go watch it. I'm so sorry if any of you guys got pissed because of this delay, but yeah, it is what it is. So I was going through my phone and I found this in my memories. This is exactly 1 year ago. We were at THP celebrating my birthday. I hope we're able to go to THP soon. Walk number 3 for Tipu. Maggie at 3 AM. I'm having Maggie after so long. What about you? आज के दिन में.
Yeah, me too.
Wow. Apkalu? No, Adya doesn't want to come. Anyway, we're gonna have our Maggie. So it's the next day. I woke up today at 9:30, which is the earliest I've woken up in a while. Actually, no. I woke up 7:30 last week, but that was for like a trip, the birthday getaway के लिए मैं सुबह इतना जल्दी उठी थी, वरना तो इतना जल्दी मैं उठी नहीं पाती. So I woke up today and then Adya and I took Tipu for a walk, which was so nice. I think I'm gonna try and do that with her as much as I can till I'm here. So anyway, I'm just gonna go and film now and I'll catch you in a little bit.
2 hours later.
Okay, so I just got done filming one of my lash. This lash is like full on coming out. Yeah, it's been a long day, so I'm gonna go and remove this makeup. But before that, let me show you what I'm wearing and also give you kind of like an update on the house. You can kind of see the color of my hair in this lighting. It's so difficult to see my hair color, like the real hair color on camera indoors, but outdoors so it looks like full on red. So I just wanted to show you guys this top that I'm wearing because I'm sure people are gonna ask in the comments. So I showed this in my birthday vlog as like one of my birthday options. So this is what I'm wearing. This is from Closet Hues. I'll link the Instagram store in the description box below. I really like this top. Also, this is what the living room looks like right now. I've been hiding this couch for so long, but you guys have seen this in the intro also. We also got another like गद्दा made. So ये गद्दा मेरे पास already था, mom dad के घर से लेके आई थी मैं, और उस पे सेम ये कवर बनवा लिया. इसको फोल्ड करके यहाँ पे रखेंगे as like an accent, because I always have people over and I need like as much as space as possible for people to sit and sleep and stuff like that. That's the bean bag that I showed in the Amazon haul. और beans चाहिए उसके लिए, थोड़े pending parcels है. And this is what my shoe closet looks like. I think in a previous video I had mentioned that I want to get kind of like a shoe closet made. So this is what it looks like so far. This definitely needs to get painted white, but I have the shelves in, and abhi to it's just full of like random stuff, but I can't wait to share with you guys what it looks like. So I also wanted to show you guys this beautiful rug from Aziz International. I also want to give them a huge shout out for sending me this beautiful rug. So basically Aziz International makes handmade customizable rugs, and they also have 500 designs that you can choose from. I'm gonna of course make sure to leave a link in the description box below and you can check everything out, but I wanted to show you guys kind of like a close-up. So when I first bought this rug, I thought I would just use it as like an accent piece because it's so pretty, but I actually use it way more than you would think, because I sit on this and I package all of my Simba orders on here, because it's like very thick and very well made. It's very comfortable to sit on. Of course you guys will see very soon how and where I end up like placing this in my home, and you'll of course see this in my living room tour for sure. And this is what the bedroom looks like. It's such a mess because I just like filmed here as well. So यहाँ के curtains completely गिर गए because of the बारिश. Actually गिर नहीं गए, गीले हो गए थे, so we just removed them. So we're just waiting, थोड़े दिन में बारिश बंद हो जाएगा. यहाँ के लिए curtain आ गया है एक और. And I am giving this bedroom a makeover most probably tomorrow or day after, and I'm gonna be posting an entire detailed room tour and also like a transformation video for this bedroom. I'm so excited. I mean it is cute even now, but a lot needs to be done. मेरे सामने का पूरा wall is like a blank canvas, so I'm really excited. I hope you guys are excited as well. So we've been editing videos. He's editing the Bali बोलने वाली थी मैं. He's editing the farmhouse vlog part 2, and I'm editing a video which you've probably already seen, but yeah, that's what is going on. Hi guys, so today is the 25th of September and I couldn't vlog the last few days because I got very sick. I got my periods and they were traumatic periods. I had a lot of pain. It was really uncomfortable. I was vomiting and it was just not a pretty sight. So I just decided to take a few days off, which is why I wasn't posting on YouTube either. So good thing that I had like kept a few days aside for this time. Yeah, so anyway, I'm just going to be posting back to back the next 6 days, so I hope you guys are excited for that. And a lot of you guys were really concerned कि मैं क्यों upload नहीं कर रही हूँ. I did put up a community post saying that I was sick. I should have like given details because a lot of you guys were thinking that I had COVID. Oh god, I don't want to end the video because I feel like I'm cheating on like giving you guys the content that you want, and this video is going to be too short, so I'm going to do kind of like a Q&A. So a few weeks ago I asked you guys on community post ki ask me questions, and I also did like a full-on Q&A video, so I'll leave that in the description in case you want to watch it, but I'm just going to pick up a few questions from there and answer some of them. Okay, so the first question is, any garage sales coming up after lockdown? How do you deliver it to people across India? Okay, so actually I did want to do like a garage sale. It's Haley's concept, right, of doing like a garage sale. I think it's genius. I don't plan on doing it like again and again like how she does it, but I just wanted to do it once because I have so many freaking clothes which I just don't use, and when I say so many, I literally probably have 100 pieces at least, which are all locked up in my storage, and it's just taking up space, and why not, you know, let it have a better home. So I did want to do that for sure, along with like a meet and greet. I've never had a meet and greet in my life, and I've been kind of postponing it for the longest time. Up to khair lockdown is, so anyway I can't do it, but I've been postponing it for the longest time because I'm so scared nobody's gonna show up. So I'm just hoping once we're done with lockdown, I'm gonna do it. I think even if 10 people show up, I'm gonna be okay with that. So yeah, that's my answer to the question. Next is, what would you do if you won a lottery? If I won a lottery, I would invest most of it in real estate. Other than that, I would buy my dad a one-way ticket, like a world tour ticket. World tour ticket? Basically, he can travel wherever he wants because he loves that. For me, for my mom, I would buy her like a huge plot of land because she loves like farming and plants and stuff like that. And I would buy another house for my Nana and Nani so that they can come and stay closer to me. So yeah, actually question mein likha tha sirf tell 2 things, but yeah, those are things that I would do. Next question, what about getting a team to help you with most of your work? So I do have 2 people as a part of my team, permanent team, and then I also have one more who's kind of like a freelancer. So the thing is ki I know I could totally get like editors to edit my videos, but I don't think I'm comfortable with that yet. I'm like very particular about like my videos and editing and stuff. At least I'm very particular about like my YouTube. I cannot give YouTube in anyone's hands. Abhi Aditya ko I let him edit some of my videos, but I'll only let him do like a rough draft, like a rough cut, and then I'll sit again for hours like doing my own thing uske upar. So abhi tak I haven't been able to delegate tasks that well when it comes to my YouTube, but yeah, for Simba and also for Instagram, I do seek help. So I mean, yeah, I know it would make sense and it would make my life so much easier to get a team, but I don't think I'm ready for it yet. I think that's it. I don't want to answer any more questions, otherwise it's going to be too long. And yeah, I think that's basically about it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog, and let me know if you want me to do more week in my lives or day in my lives. Like I can do whatever. I really like watching week in my lives because you get to see like a pan view of like my entire week / month. So yeah, anyways, let me know, and that's about it. Follow me on my Instagram and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye. So this is what today's giveaway looks like. In order to win, all you need to do is subscribe to my channel, like this video, follow me on my Instagram, follow Simba Lifestyle, and tag 3 friends on my latest Instagram post.